Hello everyone. GitHub Copilot is very famous for helping programmers with code completions. But today I will show you 5 use cases which are beyond code completions. You can use GitHub Copilot to help you with your CLI commands. For example, as you can see, it helped me with my query about how do I change previous commit, and it gave me this particular suggestion. You can use it to generate commit messages as well. As you can see, you can ask any question about your workspace and it will give you exact answer and the location of what you are trying to find out. You can use it to answer any of the questions which you have a problem with your VS Code. You can use terminal command to help you out with any of the terminal command that you are facing problem with.